Today brings another massive wave of progress across the stadium, where everything seems to be moving at full speed. From structural growth rising higher every day to new visible changes spreading across different levels, the entire project is steadily transforming in front of our eyes. Let's jump straight into the latest update and see what has changed since the last visit. Work on the compression ring continued steadily in the south end section. A new structural piece was being lifted into position and connected to the black roof beam structure. Workers on elevated platforms carefully aligned the component before securing it in place. This area is also preparing for the future installation of facade slat supports, which will be mounted very close to the black roof beams compared to other stadium sections. The compression ring has now advanced between multiple radial beams. 2 box sections are already connected in the current span, while 2 more remain to complete the segment. Workers were visible on the temporary support structures carrying out preparations for upcoming lifts. The tower crane was positioned nearby with lifting equipment ready, indicating that additional box sections are expected to be installed shortly. Work continued across the 3rd tier, where crews remained active on several sections of the upper seating bowl. Temporary lighting support structures are expanding further across the stand as preparations continue for relocating stadium lighting systems. Workers were also visible throughout the tier carrying out structural adjustments, infrastructure installation, and finishing preparations. Activity remains concentrated across multiple areas, highlighting the steady progress being made on the stadium's highest seating level. The second cantilever continues to advance with significant interior development taking place throughout the section. More concrete block walls have been completed, creating the layout for future restrooms, concession areas, service rooms, and circulation spaces. Construction materials remain distributed across the floor as multiple crews work simultaneously on different phases. Additional preparations are also underway for future mechanical, electrical, and finishing installations as this level moves closer to its next stage of development. VIP area continues to show steady advancement with multiple work fronts active across the structure. Steel framework works are progressing around the cantilever zone, while crews continue finishing welded joints and reinforcing key connection points. At the same time, interior preparation is underway for future premium hospitality spaces, with ongoing surface treatments and material staging visible across the level. Significant progress has also been made around the mobility core area. Additional mounting brackets for the facade slats have been installed on several levels of the structure. The upper supports are now heavily populated with brackets, while new installations are also visible along the middle and lower sections. This area is steadily moving closer to receiving its facade slats, which will eventually connect the completed south end slat sections with the nearby corner section. In the side stand area, crews were observed installing another diagonal structural component connected to the slat support system. Elevated platforms were active on multiple levels as workers continued structural assembly operations. Additional finishing work was visible on the steel framework, with workers applying protective coatings to various beam sections. Safety preparations also continued with the installation of protective netting across work zones to prevent debris from falling into lower construction areas. Several facade slats remain stored and ready for installation near the side stand corner. These materials are expected to be used to close the remaining gaps between existing slat-covered sections. Once installed, these slats will create a continuous facade appearance similar to what has already been achieved in other completed areas of the stadium exterior. One of the diamond structures has seen major concrete progress. Most of the external walls have now been poured, while work continues on selected internal sections. Construction crews were active throughout the structure, both inside and outside the concrete framework. Given the rapid pace of development, preparations for the next phase, including reinforcement installation and future pillar construction, could begin soon. The neighboring diamond structure is now advancing toward its next level. Workers continue installing support systems and temporary formwork components throughout the structure. Most of the pillars have already been connected through temporary support elements, creating the framework required for the upcoming floor slab construction. Progress in this section has accelerated noticeably compared to previous visits. Material handling operations continue evolving around the stadium. Compression ring components are no longer being delivered to earlier storage zones near the corner sections. Instead, larger quantities of ring components are now being positioned closer to the north end, allowing installation teams to work more efficiently as construction advances toward the central sections of the stadium roof structure. The compression ring continues growing rapidly at the north end. Multiple large box sections have now been installed between radial beams, including several significantly larger elements that form key portions of the ring structure. Temporary support towers remain in position beneath the assembly area, supporting ongoing installation work. Additional components are already staged nearby, indicating that further expansion of the ring is expected in the coming days. Facade installation crews achieved another strong advance in the north end. Slats have now extended all the way to the nearby structural pillar, representing substantial progress compared to previous days. A new slat was also being prepared for lifting and installation. Elevated platforms were positioned on both sides of the structure, allowing workers to secure each panel efficiently as the facade continues expanding across the stadium exterior. Additional slats remain stored nearby, suggesting that facade installation will continue advancing steadily over the coming days. Finishing operations remain active throughout the north end. Workers continue applying protective coatings to structural steel components while other teams carry out general construction tasks around the first cantilever level. Large numbers of compression ring components remain stored throughout the area, including several radial beams waiting for future installation. Activity was also visible around the surrounding framework, where crews continue preparing different sections for upcoming construction phases. The escalator delivered to the north end area remains on site and is awaiting installation. While another escalator has already been positioned within the stadium structure, this unit is still being stored nearby until its installation phase begins. Structural supports around this section remain in place, although no facade slat brackets have yet been installed in the corner area. Construction activity continues across the north end corner. Elevated platforms were visible on multiple levels, supporting ongoing structural and finishing works. The mobility core structures remain largely unchanged, with major steel elements already installed. Future work is expected to focus on enclosure systems and additional architectural components. Workers continue operating across several levels of the structure, indicating that progress is still being made despite the limited visible changes. One of the most visible recent developments in the main stand has been the installation of slat support structures. These supports are now extending across large portions of the stand at upper, middle, and lower levels. The expansion of these supports has progressed rapidly and is expected to continue into areas that still remain unfinished, particularly around the mobility core sections. Each new row of supports is bringing this section closer to the next stage of facade installation. Construction crews and elevated platforms remain active throughout the main stand. Large quantities of materials, structural components, and boxed equipment continue to be stored around the area for upcoming installation phases. Several sections are also preparing for future enclosure work, with sandwich panels already stockpiled nearby and ready for installation. Work teams remain busy across multiple levels as preparations continue for the next major construction activities. An unusual change was observed in the south corner area. Previously installed slat support brackets have been removed from several vertical connection points. These supports had already been mounted near the black roof beams but have since been taken down. The exact reason remains unclear, making this one of the more notable developments currently visible in the stadium. It is possible that adjustments are being made before the supports are reinstalled in their final configuration. Outside the stadium, earth-moving operations continue near the diamond structures. Excavators are reshaping and leveling sections of the construction site, while previously existing soil stockpiles have largely been removed. Ground preparation works in these areas will support future access routes and surrounding infrastructure development as the overall stadium project continues advancing. The site is gradually becoming more organized as construction teams prepare these areas for future stages of development. Across the stadium, progress remains strong in multiple key areas. The compression ring continues expanding from both the south and north ends. Facade slat installation is advancing steadily. Diamond structures are moving into new construction phases, and support systems for future cladding are spreading across additional sections. With uninterrupted summer construction ahead, all major indicators point toward another period of rapid development throughout the stadium.